Hi, this is Tutor Nick T, and this is lesson 83. Vocabulary is a collective noun. Yeah, I've often heard students make the mistake with vocabulary. They actually say vocabularies, thinking that vocabulary is similar to the word. No, your vocabulary is all the words you know altogether. So you should not be saying vocabulary. When you learn new words, you don't say vocabularies. You learn new words, you add words to your vocabulary. Your vocabulary is always the same. All right, so let's take a look. Let's look at the definition first. Vocabulary. All the words that someone knows in a particular language is vocabulary. Yeah, so you could have a vocabulary of 10,000 words, 15,000 words, 20,000 words. So when you learn new words, you don't learn vocabularies, you learn words. You add words to your vocabulary. You build up your vocabulary, but you don't say vocabularies. Okay. Or we can also use it to mean all the words in a particular language. Like you could say, a language has a vocabulary of so many words. All right, this is the first example I want to give because this is the one that I really want to make sure that students don't do. They don't make this mistake. Remember, every time I have the X in front, that means it's wrong. So if a student says, I learned 10 new vocabularies today, that's wrong. You can't say that. Because again, vocabulary is a collective noun. It's not equal to the word words. It's your whole sum of all the words you know. So you could rephrase it two ways. I learned 10 new English words today. You could say that. Or you could say, I added 10 new words to my vocabulary today. Both of those would be fine. But again, don't say vocabularies. All right, let's see. We have another example. We have a couple of example sentences here. I try to study new words every day to increase my vocabulary. Or you could say to build up your vocabulary. Or to add to your vocabulary. They have estimated that the English language has a vocabulary of over 250,000 words. Yeah, it's impossible to say the exact number, but they know it's probably at least that, maybe even a lot more. Or again, here you could say she has a vocabulary of about 20,000 English words. So, on a daily basis, to be honest, you probably, only use about 1,000 or 2,000 every day, but you might know this. You might have this many in your memory to understand. You have that's your vocabulary, all the amount of words that you know. Okay, well, I hope that clarifies it. Thank you for your time.